Okay, I wanted to go over your resources for your My Labs, MAL, My Accounting Lab, whatever you want to call it. When you go into the course, you see the home page, and you click on My Lab and Mastering. This page is going to pull up, and you're going to click on My Accounting Lab course home, and I'm going to do the same thing. I think I'll just click on, just a second. I'll click on the home and see if I can get it to pull up so you can see. You need to make sure that you use all the resources that you have. My Labs has a lot of helpful resources, but the one that I want to talk about is the study plan. Now, the study plan, what it does is you can go to all chapters and you can see that all the chapters are listed. So, for example, we're doing Appendix C this week. So, if you want more practice, here are your objectives, and I'll just click on this one. You have problems that you can go in and you can work in the study plan for each objective to help you review, and this does not count against you. It's just simply there for you to work more practice problems, and you can check your answers and you can continue to work these for extra practice. And then what you do is once you complete the practice, you can click on, or you could go ahead and click on the Quiz Me, and you can start your test. And this is just practice again. And if you feel like you know it, you can go ahead and take the quiz. If you don't do well on the quiz, you can go back to just the practice. And you can look at your progress. You can also look at recommendations of what you need to do. But here's the practice. Also has videos, so you can pull up the video and watch it before you practice.
Hello and welcome to another video tutorial. In this lesson, we'll answer the question, how are costs classified for a manufacturing company? Businesses are generally classified as primary service.
So you can actually watch videos for each of the objectives, and then work the practice. So for every single objective, you can see that there are multimedia. There's an interaction. Here's the financial statements, prepare financial statements. And this is for all chapters. So this is a good place to go to practice. Just click on the chapter that you're doing. If you need to go back to the cash flow statement, if you're not quite understanding it, you can prepare the statement. Look at all these practice problems. And the good thing about these practice problems is you can work them over and over again and keep checking them. So the study plan is a great tool. So make sure that you use the study plan if you need practice.